In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn on DRM on the Google Chrome browser. First, let's quickly talk about what DRM actually is and why you might want it turned on. DRM stands for Digital Rights Management. It's a technology that many streaming services and websites use to protect copyrighted content, like movies, TV shows, and some types of music or online courses. If DRM is turned off in your browser, you might see errors when trying to play certain videos, or the content might not load at all. So enabling it is often necessary for a smooth streaming experience. Now, open Google Chrome on your computer. You can use either Windows, Mac OS, or Linux. The steps are basically the same. Once Chrome is open, look toward the top right corner of the window and click on the three vertical dots. This is the main menu button for Chrome. In the menu that opens, move your mouse down and click on Settings. This will open a new tab with all of Chrome's configuration options. On the left-hand side of the Settings page, you'll see a sidebar with different sections. Look for the section labeled Privacy and Security and click on it. Inside Privacy and Security, find and click on Site Settings. This is where Chrome stores permissions and behaviors for different types of content and features. Scroll down until you see the section related to protected content or DRM-controlled content. Depending on your version of Chrome, it might be called Protected Content, Protected Content IDs, or something very similar. Click on that option. Here you'll see settings that control whether sites are allowed to play protected content. To make sure DRM is enabled, select the option that allows sites to play protected content. You may also see a separate option related to identifying your device for protected content. If you stream from services that require this, it's usually best to allow it as well. After you've adjusted these settings, you don't need to restart Chrome. The changes take effect right away. To make sure everything is working, go back to the site or streaming service that was giving you an error and refresh the page. Try playing the video again. If the issue was caused by DRM being disabled, it should now play normally. That's all you need to do to turn on DRM in Google Chrome. Take a moment to remember where this setting lives, in case you ever need to review or change it again in the future.